Kaleidoscope Kavern is a lazy river adventure that runs through a life-sized kaleidoscope powered by colorful projections and soothing nature sounds, an experience developed exclusively for wilderness at the Smokies. The lazy river begins just as any other, but moments after boarding your float, you're transported into a large cavern where you'll be greeted by hypnotically soothing displays of lights and sounds, inspired by the visuals of the Smoky Mountains. And it's truly immersive. Due to the nature of this attraction, the lights project not only along the cavern walls, but also bounce against the water for a light show at every angle as you weightlessly drift through. Kaleidoscope Kavern is part of Wilderness at the Smokies indoor water park, which is open to both hotel guests and the general public year-round. It's a sister attraction to Smoky Mountain, the larger outdoor water park across the street. Admission for guests staying at Wilderness Resort is included with the room rate, but for the general public, day passes can be purchased between $39 and $89 per person, depending on the date and availability at the time of this recording. Wilderness at the Smokies is located at 1424 Old Knoxville Highway in Sevierville, Tennessee.